Guess who's back playing more Clash? Me. And I'm playing with this deck again. I feel like I'm not going to switch up the deck for at least a little bit because, I don't know, I don't feel like it. We're just going to run more ranked. I need to push up in rank. There's not much time left in the season. And yeah, we're just going to yap low-key. You guys see the new Evo? Flying Piggies. 4 Mega Knights dropping from the sky. I don't think it does Mega Knight damage. I think it said some... I think I saw a video that was like in the dev vlog or dev build. And it said something like it did 100 damage. So it's definitely not nothing, but... I'm gonna be honest. I do not like going against Giant Skeleton, bro. Oh, wait. I've lost. Okay, wait. That was a bad clone. Okay, but... yeah, I lost. Dude! It didn't even die, bro. Oh! Bro, I hate going against Giant Skeleton, bro. I know I played it poorly, but... Oh... Dude. I can't Vines the Firecracker. That's why I didn't Vines. And then... I don't know. I feel like I should have played my Skeleton King on the Witch. And then probably played Inferno Dragon on the Skeleton Giant. But I don't even know if I had Inferno Dragon yet. I don't know. I don't like going against Witch, I'm gonna be honest. Who is spectating me spamming 6-7? You're gonna make me lose. Alright, let's just go in here. He doesn't have Firecracker, so I can use my Vines. Vines. Oh, are we dead at? Please just kill the Witch. Are we dead at? Minion Horde. Dude, I've lost. I can't. If I win this game, you have to like and subscribe. If I lose, click off the video. I don't even care. I'm not even going to have that many viewers anyways. Please stay. I need everything I can get. I'm just kidding. But there's no way I'm winning this. Oh, fuck, bro. I'm losing, bro. What do I do? Like, dead at? Oh. Is that my top? Bro. Oh. I just messed up on the first defense. What was I meant to do, bro? Like, actually, what was I meant to do? Oh my god, who is spamming 6-7? Are we dead at? You're making me lose. Nah, I'm selling. Okay, hold on. Lock in. I'm remembering every card this guy's playing. Watch. I'm gonna be a GOAT Ultimate Champion level. Watch this. All right, he plays Mega Minion. I say we go Loon. He plays perfect. Perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my god. Oh, yep, tower's gone. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now we just, you know, go other lane. Hey, the best thing this guy can do right now is quit the game. The game's already over, bro. I mean, I could definitely mess up, but I'm not going to. Fuck. I might mess up. I might mess up. Are we dead at? Hold on. Don't I... Wait. Okay, yeah. Why Mega Minion there? Okay. Say bye to your Mega Minion, I guess. Okay, nice zap. You missed the fucking Inferno Dragon, so... It's, something. And, yeah, that's all countered. So, I don't know what this guy is actually doing. And I'm actually not locked in, because I don't remember a fucking single card this guy's played, except for Mega Minion. Mega Minion, Golem, Fireball. There's no way that's it. Oh, Inferno Tower. He has Inferno Tower. Mega Minion, okay, so he has Inferno Tower in hand right now. Dude, is that all he played? Mega Minion, Fireball, Inferno Tower. I could play Balloon, Scar me mid. And then, what is he, just Fireball? What is he doing? Okay, I think he quit, right? Alright. Alright. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. We take those. We take those. I wasn't even locked in, but we take those. Actually, I did do a pretty good first push. You gotta give me that. All right. Also, they're reworking Three Musketeers to where, oh yeah, I didn't even finish watching the TV Royale, but, we have to do this, bro. Yeah, because otherwise we're just simply losing half of our tower. So that's what we need to do. Okay. But yeah, I didn't finish watching TV Royale, but they're reworking Three Musketeers, and they said something like it's gonna do, I think it was like a slower attack speed, but more damage or something. It also has more health. Anyways, I think this is a kind of a W play. All right. All right. All right. Oh. Bad skeletons. Hold up. Pop the ability. And the mortar's going to take out some of it. It doesn't even matter. I don't care. We take the damage. Please just be more than I was bargained for. Ooh, get the... Melt. That was not worth it. That was not fucking worth it. Well, I'm cooked because now he goes skeleton barrel in front of this. No. Okay. The fact that he didn't go skeleton barrel, I think, just saved my life. I will not even lie to you right now. Okay. That doesn't retarget onto the tower, right? Fuck. I don't know why I forgot that's what happened in that scenario. Damn. Okay. Rage. Are we serious? Dude, I'm cooked. It's cooked. I'm not playing well. What am I doing? I don't remember what mistake I made, but I know I made one. All right. He does have Musketeer. Oh, yeah. The vines. Holy shit. My memory's ass, yo. Okay. Let's go Skeleton King and back. Let's just play it a little safe. All right. That's not the worst. Does death damage kill? Because then I'm going to start crying. Okay. He wasted his Evo Musketeer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're going to go Loon in front of all this. And then might as well just... Let's go Skarmy other lane. I don't know. I'm feeling it. All right. What am I doing, bro? Why am I going off of feeling? I need to go off of skill. And there was no skill in what I just did there. Fuck. Oh, Evo Mortar. Oh. No. I'm not winning. Please. 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 Wait, my Inferno Dragon might have cooked me. Vines! Ooh, 1, 2! Oh my god. We're back in the game. Fuck you. Let's go. Alright, now he can't even... Bro, what is he gonna do? He has log? Oh, watch this. Boom. Log. No log. He played all of his elixir. He's logless. And he wasted his Evo Muskie. Oh! I don't know what's gotten into me, but... I think we just win here. Like, what does he actually do here? Vines? Damn, latest Vines possible. Okay, that Vines might have sold me. Why am I still playing Vines, bro? Vines is outdated. Okay, hold on. Tank for the Ice Spirit. We're going to go Skeleton King high here because I know he's ready for that log this time. Is he? Nah, he's scared of me. He knows how tough I am. I think we go other lane here because Muskie's other lane. All right. We push. We push. What does he even do? Buddy, that's not saving you. That's not saving you. Oh my god. That's not saving you. Oh. Hold on. There's still a chance here. Well, what am I talking about? There's a chance here. This guy's fucking cooked. What am I talking about? There's still a chance here. No, this guy's just done. Yes, I am the GOAT. Hey, bro, if you watched yesterday's video, don't. Wait. Fuck. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, don't. And if you did, I'm playing better. Not good. I'm not really playing good, but playing better. But yeah, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, just don't fucking watch yesterday's video, bro. I don't know what happened to me. I won one out of 5 games. Yeah. I mean, if you want to skip to the win, it's not bad, but Yeah. All right, we're gonna fuck, bro. I hate going against Witch, like dead ass. I could go Balloon other lane just so he can't support the Witch. Okay, W arrows here actually. Okay. Yes, it spawned skeletons at my favorite time. Oh my god. Wait, it's targeting the Skeleton King. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. I think we're good. Do I go Skarmy? I'm gonna go for a mix of the two. If he has Earthquake or some shit, he has arrows. Please, full counter. Yes. Okay. Wait, where did I take damage and when? Witch? Maybe? Unless the hog did hit my tower and there was no animation, then that's some bullshit. But it could have been Witch. That's my guess. It might be Witch. Or maybe he like fireball or something. Wait, no. He didn't fireball. I'm making shit up. Witch, Baby Dragon. Why do I feel like he played another card? Because he played bats, right? He played bats. Okay. I say we low-key go in here, and then we just arrows his bats. His bats. There they are. Don't tell me I missed them. I missed one. I missed two. What the fuck? How did I... Okay, how did I miss that one, though? Are we dead at... Also, I might have lost. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yep, it's over. Because Evo Witch has infinite fucking everything. Infinite everything. Infinite DPS. Infinite everything. Bro, it never fucking dies, bro. Oh, this thing sucks. Oh, I actually hate this card, bro. What does he have for my Skarmy? Arrows, arrows, arrows. Zap. What the f... Okay. Actually, I'm kind of okay with what's happened just now. Let's go Balloon. I didn't want to, but we have enough elixir for arrows now. For his bats. There they are. Alright. Then we low-key get a nasty vines here. And of course miss half the fucking units I want to hit. But it's okay because we do end up taking out all of that shit. Now we just have to defend for the next few seconds. Yeah, there's the fucking Mega Knight. Knew that bitch was coming down. And it's not the Evo Witch, so I actually think I could defend here. If it was the Evo Witch, I think my life would be over. But it's not, so it's fine. And Evo Mega Knight really doesn't scare me at all, if I'm being honest. And we're just going to hit a nasty little vines here, which is going to hit all three cards. And he is not connecting. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT. Not really. Anyways, we're 2 games away. We'll save that for next video. It's 12 minutes, 13 minutes recording already. And yeah, I still need to work on Unreal Engine because low-key, I feel like I've been like kind of cooking in it, but it's like, I feel like I still want to put a lot more content in it. Or I could just like go into detail of like all the errors I encountered, but like, no one wants to watch that. People just want to watch like the ideas I have and how I implemented them. So I don't know. I'll figure something out to make it like at least 7 minutes at least. But yeah. All right. I'll see you guys.